Hi guys, my name is Mark Coles and I help fitness professionals take their passion and purpose and turn it into a successful business. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about how to sell on Instagram, a platform that so many of you use, but so many of you struggle to get engagement and ultimately sales. The first thing we're going to talk about is using the features that Instagram are always updating. Two, for example, they give you the polls option and they give you the questions option. Two that you'll actually see that I use very frequently. And why do I use them? Well, the most important thing on Instagram is to get engagement. It's to try and strike up conversations. If you want to be able to sell, ultimately, one of the key things that you need to do is to try and get people on the phone. When you use the poll feature, just from a psychology perspective, people find it really easy to just click a yes or a no, or a difference from this to this. That will let you know in Instagram that someone's got an opinion based on something that you put in there. Sometimes it's funny, which you're not going to follow up necessarily with, but if it's relevant to fat loss, muscle building, weight loss, their training, if you can find what someone's actually genuinely interested in, it's the start of a relationship. And with that, you can go in to the people that have actually clicked on one or the other and send them a message and say, hey, really interesting that you clicked on that. Which one's your favorite? Or if you could have another opportunity to do X, Y, Z, what would you do? It strikes up a conversation inside your DM. It gives you an opportunity to then go on that person's Instagram platform, their main page, and start to see who they are, so you can strike up conversations. One of the biggest problems that you'll find on Instagram is there are a lot of people following you, but you don't know which people are going to engage with you. The people that are going to buy from you are the people that are engaging with your stories, your polls, they're engaging with your comments and likes. And they're the people that you need to be actually starting to have conversations with. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is to ask people to engage with your content. So many of you spend so much time creating fantastic posts. And when you get to the end of it, done. If you want to sell on Instagram, you've got to invite people to leave comments. Whether or not you're going to say, if you agree with this post, leave a fist emoji, or leave the biceps emoji, or a fire emoji, whatever it may be. When people start engaging with your post, it gives you an opportunity to send them a message and say, what did you enjoy about it? Or if you have your own comment on this, leave it below. Or you could even say at the end of the post, if it's relevant to a client that's worked with you, if you are like XYZ and you're ready to take your coaching to the next level, drop me a DM and we can jump on a call. You are inviting people. So many times on social media, especially Instagram, you're putting great content out, you're putting great stories out, but you're never inviting people to contact you, connect with you, DM you, leave comments. If you want to sell on Instagram, it starts with the conversations, and that's so important. Tip number three, to be able to sell on Instagram, is to offer your time for free. And you might think to yourself, Mark, what do you want about giving your time away for free? Well, if you've been a personal trainer, or you are a personal trainer, or you've watched people in gyms, coaches in gyms are forever giving their time away for free. And you're talking to people on machines, you're talking to people in the changing rooms, in the reception area. That time is essential relationship building time. Now, you can do everything you can with Instagram, with your posts, your videos, your stories, your DMs, but there will come a time where in order to take the relationship on the next level, it will require you to give some of your time away for free. Now, if you don't have all of the marketing set up, which gives away valuable time and knowledge for free, say to somebody, everything that we've discussed in this message, the things that you commented on in the post, I'd be happy to just jump on a call with you for 10 minutes and talk you through how that would look like in your own program. Wow, you would help me? Of course. The minute that you give your time, naturally on the phone call, you're going to try and lead that through to a sale. But by offering your time and the opportunity to help somebody, even if they don't agree to work with you, there is that opportunity for that person to build a better connection and relationship up with you. So if you think about it from a marketing perspective, so many of you are going on Instagram, creating a post, and nothing's really come of it. By creating more polls, by asking people to leave more comments, by giving away your time for free, all of these are leading closer to sell on Instagram. So make sure you use those, and if you found them helpful, make sure you click subscribe, make sure you click the notifications bell, and you will be notified when the next video drops. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll speak to you soon.